look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry or regret. Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life that I've ever known. It's hard to justify unless you've walked the path that I've strolled. You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you'll let go. And everyone will tell you to change. Just stop being this way. And inside you're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same. It's not that easy. And it's not okay. And I know you didn't plan this route today. But we all have things in life that we took for love, but got thrown out to the wolves. Never was enough.
Yo, what's up, you guys? What up? All right. Let's look at let's lock in. G'day, mate. Oh, you guys grabbed a buy there, did you? Dub. W. One sec, gang, and we'll get shit popping off. One second. One sec. Let's have a look. Just kicking off TikTok. Let's get the Gen Pop in the chat. GP. Penitentiary. Alright, Dub. Let's get Gen Pop in the chat. And we're on. Sorry guys, one sec, nearly done. Swaggy Rod, what up, what up? Swaggy D. You know, I might as well just switch it up and come up with like a name. Danny G. Danny Sins or something. Alright gang, here we go. Fully ready now. Alright, sick. Sorry for that. Wow, gold's doing what gold does best. W. Hope you guys have had a decent day. I took a little rat scalp on my instant funded account. Up a couple bands on that. Like, wake up. I need a coffee. That's what I need. All right, W. All good. Haircut looks really, really bad. All good. I'm going to do a quick bit of analysis here and delete these lines. I mean, there's not much analysis to do. We're just fucking moving up. Oh, nice, Norman. Good to have you. My maid's here as well if it's a bit sank in the background. Wow, very strong candles. Okay. Chuck in there, what did you guys catch in the mentorship? Ah, wow. So let's see if NQ's got anything for us. Ah, I bet you guys took a type 2 sell here. No, you guys took buys here. Okay. Yeah, W, wow. I mean, you could have even taken it the flip a bit here, to be honest, bro. Like, you've always got the decision to make when you got a wick that big. You could, it wouldn't have been a bad, because if you took the entry there, you're kind of buying into that resistance there, but yeah, not a bad idea to kind of aim for a wick fill even. But regardless, like, price is pushing up. And Shem got a bit more of a ratatouille up here. GG's. Yeah, you have to be aggressive in these scenarios. You got to get aggressive with it. What's the typical amount you trade with? Billions! Sorry. Oh, hang on one sec. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's usually like comes out. They have one card detailed. If they just try to take it out, the money will. As I yelled out billions, turned around and my maid's looking at me in shock. Let's have a look. Continuation, breakout. Yeah, it's tough, man. I'm going to want to see something. I want to see something. I can sense a 10K day coming up. I can sense it in my balls. I mean, at the end of the day, you guys, I hope you guys aren't believing anyone in the trading industry unless they're trading prop live like this every single day. Other than that, basically everyone else is lying. Just start a war with the whole fucking world. Yeah, everyone's lying except me and Aaron. Purple tip. Get that purple tip out, son. And Raja Banks. Check, check. All right, man. Why can't I hear shit? So we're going to have to see here. Gold's coming into London. It's kind of pushed up. Room service. Oh, it's not room service. Like, yeah, it's I get I booked someone weekly. I mean, yeah, it's good to get it because then you can free up more time to doom scroll on TikTok. You know? You're not thinking of buy after this candle? Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm going to need to see a red candle, my brother. I'm going to need to see a red nut. That's what you got to do. Free Palestine. You guys, I can't stop dreaming about a date just Rolex, blue face. I'm an island boy. I got my orange glasses. Yeah, let's be patient here, guys. Let's see how this first 15 candle wants to develop and close. It's going to, interesting. It's going to tell a lot of a story. Check. Can you for real share the typical amount you trade with? Depends what you mean, brother. I trade with prop accounts. I've got like, I don't know, I'm trading with like $500,000 prop accounts. Yes, that's exactly the watch. Fruited bezel 41. Yes, exactly the watch. You know, I used to think you could just kind of walk into a Rolex store and buy one, but you can't. You have to go, like, you have to try and build a relationship, and yeah, it's not as. I guess that's how they keep their value, because they make it hard to get. How much for instant funded? I don't know. I can't remember. Just go on Top One's website. Big Kev, what up, G? So let's see, you guys. Let's see how this candle wants to develop. That's going to be the biggest question on everyone's lips. How's this these first 15 want to close? Wow, NQ. Bro, NQ going buck wild. On London yesterday, remember how it dropped down randomly? Turns out it's going up now. Nothing beats a Jet 9 holiday. Oh, okay. I'll have a look, Mitch. There was one guy I contacted in Dubai and he gave me some stupid price. And I was like, you must be focused on just stupid people or something. I'll get a date just when I get that much in profits in 1 week, which is very doable. I'm waiting for a red candle print. If this candle prints like this, which it's about to, I might take an impulse buy. What up, Paul? Good, brother. Yeah, you guys in the mentorship, starting tomorrow, I'm not going to be streaming Asia anymore. I'm going to be streaming New York in the mentorship community, not on YouTube. Yeah, I'm switching it up. It's got to be done. I might put a buy stop here, see if we can anticipate a bit of a push. Just see if we can get a little rat scalp. All-time highs, see if we can capitalize on a bit of volume. I don't know, we'll see. How many in the mentorship? You said you do one-on-ones? Yes, I do one-on-ones. That's the whole idea with it. The mentorship is a mentorship. It's not a course. Yeah, you work with me directly. Just got back from boxing. Nice, Mason. GG's. Punch them, dudes. Punch them. Punch them, guys. What? Let me know if you want me to like send it to you. Will it go straight up forever? Not really. Like you can see like a couple of years ago, gold had even gone through stages of consolidation for like a year at a time. Where's the stop loss? What's that? Overextended? Nah, like the thing is with gold when it's at all-time highs like this, you kind of got to be a bit aggressive. Like there could be a case for it being overextended, but I'm willing to take the bet. Typically when gold's at all-time highs, like you think, oh, there's no way it's going to keep going. And then she just keeps going. I mean, who would have thought? I think it was the start of the year. We're like, wow, is gold going to get to 3,000? Now we're talking about 4,000. Psych number hasn't been reached yet. Yeah, good observation. That's a good point. Very good point. My stop loss will go down here like 20 pips or something. Nothing crazy. I'm really kind of going to anticipate a bit of a pop. One to one, maybe 20 pips. Where are you from? Originally Australia. Originally Australia. But yeah, man, killing it. Hope you guys are killing it. On all fronts. Nah, I got postponed, JD. J Dizzle. Whenever I've got like a sell order in, an order in, this is what you get in the chat. Let the crickets begin. That's life in Dubai. Life in Dubai is good, man. Give this candle a couple more minutes here. Pop, yeah, I'm with you, brother. Pop for me, son.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the question.
NQ's been moving.
I won't be angry.
NQ done been moving. NQ is just on a mission, bro.
Only smile on my own and just know
I mean, if we could go back in time and just say to ourselves, when Trump did all the tariff shit, just click buy,
you walk the path that I've strolled.
we would be billionaires.
You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you'll let go. And everyone will tell you to change. Just stop
But no, you guys are too fucking busy scrolling TikTok.
screaming out the same.
All right, let's get rid of these for the minute.
And it's not okay. And I know you didn't plan this route today. But we all have things in life that we took for love.
We'll see. It could impulsively flip up, and I'll impulsively take an order. We'll see. Yeah, that's right, Jack. Blue 25k account and Orion funded yesterday. Got another 10k account today. Made 300. W. Hope you use my code. Go on the running for the running marathon. I got a podcast on use your code twice. W. TikTok, you're getting muted for a sec. You guys on Yui Chewy. Use this code before it ends here. If you use this code, you get 15% off. You get 100% of the profit split on the first payout. And you go on the running to get flown out to Dubai for an entire week. All expenses paid for. We go drifting in supercars. We go on jet skis. We go strip club. Not really the last part, but. And it's 15% off all your challenge accounts. Orion funded. W fucking ultimate discount code. Life-changing shit. That week, whoever gets picked, there'll be 9 people. Life-changing for that week. Trust me. Life-changing. To flip and push button. Yeah, I've deleted my shits, Jack. Yeah, I've deleted. What up, Callum? All good? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. W. There goes my maid. She comes by every Tuesday. You know, the sad thing is, and I got to repent for this, but every Monday night I'm kind of lazy because I know she's coming the next day. Seems quiet in the chat today. Yeah, because we had an order sitting there. So everyone's like, oh shit, I'm so scared. Because losing a trade is life-threatening. What's your bias? Bias B. What are we doing in Q? Not a lot. So we'll see. If gold wants to have a pullback, let's just see, you guys. Bay or seal. Your maid watching your live. Clinching it. My maid's watching the live like, don't enter that. Shout out to Bias B and Lazy Grey have done it. I thought no one would know who Bias B is. That's old school, underground Aussie hip hop. I was listening to Lazy Grey the other day. W. You know, alternatively, we could see some kind of retracement. I'd love to take a buy here. Bro, give me $100. I want to start trading. That makes so much sense, bro. Give this guy likes. Yeah, drop a like for the chat, you guys. Drop a like for the... Let's get to 100 likes over here. Give me 500. I mean, NQ is kind of breaking above here on the 30, but the 15 looks weak. Could repeat the pattern to the left. What pattern? There's nothing to the left. This is all-time highs. What if the same setup occurs in the 30-minute? Yeah, I like where your head's at. The only issue is it's irrelevant then because the 15 looks the way it does. Yeah, I like where your head's at. The only thing is it's not valid because of the way the 15 looks. Big Rad, what up, brother? When the price falls in the RBS zone, strong. What the fuck is an RBS zone? Resistance becomes support. Oh, yeah, that would be nice. Yeah. What up, Jamil? What up, Trade Delicious? So let's see. It's the first 30 of London closure. First 30 closure. Yeah, I personally trade the BBL zone as well. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about the 30, but if this comes down and holds like relatively strong support, which it's kind of doing now, and then the next one can break through on the 15 and close, I'll be interested in just taking a standard like type 1 breakout trade. But it won't do that. You'll very rarely get like a clean breakout at all-time highs like that. You're going to typically need to find like a type 2, like an entry point, like some sneaky entry point. Or a breakout, like the guys caught down here, a breakout before a breakout, all-time highs. Big Chris, yes sir. BBL Drizzy. Damn, I thought someone knocked on the door. Wedge top forming potential long trap. I'll put my long in your trap. Sorry. Are there BBLs in Dubai? Yes, there's many BBLs in Dubai. There's stunning women in Dubai. The issue is they're all hookers. Sorry. How many types do you have? Zesty, what up, Zest Dog? Yeah. What's C plus said? Are they really? Yeah, it's fucking crazy, bro. It's actually crazy. Or G diggers, yeah. Ah, nice, Diligent. Okay. Good stuff. I mean, let's isolate gold here a little bit. When Tourette's kicks in, you have to apologize for the ticks. Legit. That's fucked. Oh, Carolina, Bay or Seal? Bay or Seal? How Seal was kind of dope. Like, what was Seal's song? Fuck. Seal. His name's Seal, and his picture his face is like, what's his song? He's got a classic. I forget. Seal was him. I fucks with Seal. Kiss from the Rose. Yeah, but how's it go? I believe I can. Did he sing? Is that who made that? Seal. Let's name him Seal. Oh, this was a song for Batman. Damn, Seal used to... Man, Seal dated that hot as bird. Seal wife. Heidi Klum. Damn, Seal really snagged her. Still really done got her with these freaking big African dong. Yeah, fair enough. NQ is just out of this planet. You look like protagonist of a GA6 first class. What? Protagonist GTA 6. I mean, I think GTA 6 are shitting their pants a little bit just because of the AI technology involved in gaming now. It seems like there's only so far we can take the traditional way that we're making games, and it's like AI. Like, I don't know if you guys seen that new AI technology that, you know, you can obviously type a prompt in and then it creates a 3D environment. Oh, it's not a 3D environment, it's an environment that you can interact with. So you can actually run into the walls and create and control this character based on prompt, and it's photorealistic. And it's like GTA is still using the old methods, which is you create a 3D mesh and then you put 2D textures over it and stuff like that, and then animation. And it's like, it's clearly dying out. That way of making games will be gone one day, and we'll be thinking back like, oh my God, I can't believe they had to hire hundreds of graphic artists and 3D designers to make a game. Just like the same way we think about how they used to make movies. Whenever they would try to do like some sort of camera effect, they had to actually do it physically. Now we just use CGI. Real-time game engine. Yeah. Purple tip because he's got that seal in him, son. He put that seal in her. He sealed that shit up. Death of an indie game programmer. Yeah, I was that guy as well. I was a 3D character designer. But I knew it was going out. Like, it's still, you can still get a 3D character designer job, but very shaky industry to be in. How long do you plan to stay in Dubai? I live here. All right, what do we got? Gold. What are you gonna go? 1 hour fake out, maybe. Baby. Awesome. Oh, it's a cleaner. Hello? Hey. Yes. I've got 2 seconds, but are you guys able to take that payment? Like, just automatic, like just try to withdraw it? Yeah, if you can try that again now. Thank you. Yeah. No, all good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Come on, gold, brother. Give us a setup. We haven't got all day. We've got a lot of things, but one of them isn't all day. Exactly. Check Dizzy. Let's check Dizzy. Oh no, I'm scared. I hope this hasn't got swearing or something. Hey, I like the sparkle in your eye. If you want to see the sparkle of my dick, I'll show up every day on the market and trade. Because here's the thing, you go, okay, there's no volume in NQ, we're moving up, these candle bodies are small and weak and gay.
Trading great again. For far too long, fake gurus have fucked everything up.
Raja is my dad. A piece of shit. Yay, I'm a piece of shit. Who should I watch to start learning how to trade? He called it! He called it! Bro, do we have to clip my fucking top zest moments? Caught on camera? God damn it. Yeah, I've got to really start getting serious out here, I think. I think I've got to start getting more serious. It's pretty fucking funny though. Trader's Date's funny as fuck. That's why we love mate. Thank you, brother. No, Trader to say it's very funny. Daniel serious? Nah, yeah. Thank you. Oh. Has anyone here bought a Rolex before? Sentiment on NQ is just moving up, bro. There's not a whole ton I can look at here on NQ. I'm more interested in gold, present an opportunity, but just going to need to be a little bit patient. You got one, Leo? Can you genuinely just walk into a shop, or is there wait lists? Like if I were to walk into a shop and say I want a fucking a date just, would I be able to buy one then and there, or do they put you on a wait list and fuck you around for ages? Waitlist. Fuck. And how long do you think the waitlist is? Even though they have them, yeah, exactly. Even though they definitely have them. Build a relationship sometimes 2-3 years. Fuck, man. Just give me a watch. I don't want to be your fucking fake friend. Just give me a watch. Bro, stop blowing up. I'm just got laid off because of leg injury and I need more time to get... Wait, what? If you just got laid off for a leg injury, you need to get a new job, but using online services. When I had double back surgery and I still had rent to pay. I didn't have a family. I had no one to rely on. I had to get a job selling over the phone. Got a better chance with just date rather than... Oh, really? Okay. Buy a fake one. Yeah, but the second-hand ones seem to be more expensive than getting a straight-up one, and they're worse condition. Oh, really, Julie? Okay. Why did you not enter the short? Clean point. Nah, there's no familiar price action here for me to take a sell. Why you allow people to put deals in the chat? Because I can't stay on top of it, and if you fall for it, it's just your own fault kind of thing. I can see it. No, I'm set on this date just. I'm absolutely set on it, man. It's been in my mind. To be precise. Yeah, this is hopefully kind of the retracement here now. Hopefully this is a retracement now. What's grey market? And where would you do that? Like, where would you find this grey market shit or whatever? Yeah, I'm doing a roundtable podcast on Friday with 2 other funded traders. Should be pretty cool. Here in Dubai. Oh, secondhand. Karama? I'll take a photo of this. Yeah, exactly, Mitch. I was going to do that. They have like one of the main guys there. He has he's got like multiple Richard Mills and insane. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm going to hit them up on Friday. Can I come to Dubai? Yes. Yep. I'll let the authorities know to let you through. I got motion here. Literally nerfed us at the door. Nice, Mad Lord. Yeah, so we'll see here, man. We're just showing up. We wait. The idea is you just show up, and then if the market presents you your play, you take the thing. So right now I'm waiting for that. Let's see how this candle starts to develop. Shared in the Discord. Yeah, nice. I mean, I would have personally, it would have been probably a better idea to take it at least there, like let it flip a little bit more instead of exactly when it flips. But yeah, good trade. And even like if you take it there, like you could have got away with your stop loss just being there as well and just gone for a wick fill. But yeah, W. Nice trade. W. Yeah, if anyone's got any analysis they want to throw on the Dissy, chuck it in. Okay, breakthrough here. Nice, nice. Jasper, go onto a website called babypips.com. And at the top, go to tools and then go market hours and you'll see here. I'm not thinking about levels, Speedio. I'm waiting for structure more than levels. Yeah, I'm more interested in structure than levels. Show me your structure. That's my intent. Blew my account today, unfortunately. We're working on getting another. Well, I agree that you should be working on getting another, but definitely be working on why you blew the account. Hopefully you know that. The video on double tap posted recently explained the loss I took yesterday. Nice. Yeah, double tap is like a case-to-case basis. It's not every trade. It's typically on trades where it's starting to flip in your direction quick. Where you're like, I'd rather like to see it dance, like to just develop a little bit more, but it looks like it's ready to go now. And that's typically where you let the double tap happen, where you let it like maybe attempt to push without taking it straight up. Mitch. Yeah, but then you get days like Friday where you just get 2 A+ setups. There is an Egyptian trader. He is very skilled. You need to collab. Egyptian, hey? Oh yeah, we got high impact later. Core retail, is it? Yeah. Nice. If you blow your account, do the same punishment as Daniel. We never blow it again. Yeah. Bluey. So your interview was pretty good, mate. Thank you, mate. Yeah, we got a way on. You know, their interview channel only has 5,000 views, 5,000 followers, and my podcast with them has got 40,000 in 3 weeks. 40 bands. Imagine when I bring in your mama. Oh, you guys couldn't hear that. Yeah, I have no idea, Mad Lord. I don't look at the 1 minute. Yeah, the market doesn't care what you think. 100%, bro. Do you trade Bitcoins? Nah. All right, God, you got 6 minutes. It's going to be the first hour of London. We come into London. It's just red for 1 hour. Cool story. Very fun to be a part of. Just stand and watch challenge. The stand and watch challenge. One minute, degenerate time frame. Ah, yeah, there's so much shit I could say. Talking about seminars, I've got a public Sunday seminar this Sunday. This Sunday, starting tomorrow, I'm going to share a link and I'm going to do a public seminar on trading strategy and psychology on Sunday. So if you'd be interested in learning some things, this is going to be a good opportunity for that. Then you trade V-Bucks. I mean, I just see my 11-year-old niece must have did some V-Bucks things because I just got a notification that it came out. Which time, bro? I'll let you know tomorrow. I'll post more details tomorrow. Yeah, she's interested in freaking V-Bucks payouts, man. I mean, there's no real trade right now. If this flips, yeah, there's nothing happening just yet. This is the thing about trading sometimes. Nothing. I'd like to buy gold. We've got 4 minutes here. If this can push up aggressively, maybe I could look at taking a buy. If not, a sell below maybe, I don't know. I'm an island boy. Stalk me, bro. I'm pro. Yeah, but I'm not going to be able to determine whether you're pro or not based on your TikTok profile. You know what I mean? You can post anything. Check the comments, D. On both videos, it's pinned in the top of the comments. Why is what taking so long? Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. If we can get to 100 likes, I'll literally do something crazy. Just for the stream, Gunter. Are you long? Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, look at gold pop down there. Probably the aircon here. I'll turn the suppressor on. All right, man. Here we go. We've got a minute here for the 30, 1 hour and 15 closure. Very fun. Very fun stuff. 65 pips. 4 hours coming back into the range. Wow, NQ hasn't nudged. All right, man. Here's that closure. I mean, how often do you see that as a new volume comes into the market as London opens, it just completely reverses. Oh, London opens, see ya. This red candle is just one London open candle. Good to have you here, Andrees. Andreezy. BBL Drizzy. That's true. All right, man, there's an hour closure. Can we get some pullback here? Can we get a pullback of some sort? That's one of the biggest questions. Can we get a pullback? Or just a green candle? I'll be happy. Just give me a greenery. I'll be happy with that. Gold now in a market maker sell model, 5-minute time frame confirmation. Who are those to buy and can catch falling knife? Gold's now in the matrix. Go on oil right now. Big move is about to happen on oil. But even if it happens, there's nothing I can do, so there's no point. Yeah, same, Mitch. I love your bro. I love your bro. I don't love you, but I love your bro. Do you remember when gold reached the highest? Yeah, it was crazy. Assalamu alaikum. W Ferno. Pharaoh. Good job, man. Welcome to the club. Time to actually pull some money out of these bitches. How do you do that? Slow and steady wins the race. There's no rush. If anything, don't even think about the money. Just think about the trade. You know, trading's like everything in life. Trading's similar to like women. It's a long story. Yeah, NQ been breaking all-time highs. Good to have you here, Farido, man. Let me say this about women. If you just say you're interested in a girl and you like chase her up and follow her up and how's your day? Good morning, beautiful. And like you're constantly chasing her up because you're trying to lock her down. What happens? Distance. She will move away. You kind of have to attract. And it's the same way on the charts. Like if we chase a trade, oh man, I want to trade. I'm here to trade. What happens? You chase a bullshit trade and you get burnt. You let the trade come to you. Let the trade come to you. You set the traps. Oh, that last bit sounded rapey, but my point is like you wait for the setups to come to you. But yeah, shout out to you, brother. You taught me, even though I'm on the mentorship, I showed up. Exactly, Pharaoh. Good stuff, man. Clip farming. Yeah, I'm thinking about hiring these clip farmers. I just want to go do a couple more podcasts. They're pretty expensive, though. After saying that, you know, I would love to hate on you. I would love to hate on you for fucking trying to make it something that's not. But that's too funny. I don't know. That's so funny. It reminds me of the oh fuck, that's funny. I hate that that's funny because you're saying it about me, but that's so funny. It's really not like that, but that's so fucking funny. Oh man, that made me laugh. You can't even say genuine advice without getting fucking roasted. It's like, bro. This is how I felt after saying that. That's exactly how I just felt. How much is it? Raja Banks podcast. Oh, the Raja Banks and Trade Shops coming out next week. Oh, NQ. Damn. NQ, man. Wild stuff. No, Chris. You guys, can we get to 2 likes here on TikTok? On YouTube, I mean? Can we like the stream? Is that humanly possible? No way. I mean, I don't know what you're looking at. Maybe you took the 30. I was looking at that as overextended. Yeah, it's nothing worse. There's nothing funner than getting stopped out of a trade just to watch it massively shoot in the direction you wanted it to go. Just liked. Thank you, bro. That comment's still fucking... I hate you guys. I hate that kid. If you're a string trader, you only trade long setups. So if this candle can engulf a little bit, I don't like that there's no bottom week, but if it can engulf it a little bit, I might get ready for potential buy stops. It was me, bro? Really? How dare you? I hate you. I'm trying to help you, bro. Bro, I need one-on-one mentorship. If you need one-on-one mentorship to find success in trading, you type in danielholmestrades.com and you'll be presented with this page. Now, if you're serious about your trading and you want help, you click apply for mentorship. I don't know why it's not letting me scroll down and proceed from there. Only if you are serious about taking this game serious, not because you want signals or not because you expect quick cash. Because that's non-existent in life, unless you win the lottery. But I can absolutely help you speed the process up dramatically than you would have done by yourself. Massively. And avoid unnecessary. The amount of money that you will save by doing the mentorship will far exceed the amount that it costs. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. No, I know you're joking. It was funny. You got me. You got me laughing. That's funny. Bluey giving out W advice. Well, then you know what to do sooner.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry, regret.
Yay! Break the high of the previous 15. All good. Yeah, keep going. We don't want to trade. I mean, I'd rather us be back up here, to be honest. I was a bit sus the fact that these didn't have bottom wicks. If I was going to look for a buy. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Hi, fuck off. Love you, bro. You're late, mate. Detention. The best way to scale funded accounts? Beautiful question. The best way to scale funded accounts is show up. Don't think about big profits. Just think about small profits. And once you stack some size into the account, then slowly just add a bit more size as your account increases. Are you looking for high or low now? I'm looking, it looks like price is going to go retest that high. So all the guys that were holding sells right now are just pooing on their pants. Yeah, this is wild stuff. I mean, we might have to think about looking at a buy. Tough conditions, man. Tough to navigate these movements here. Where we just move down and then a big candle moves back up. So let's really use our brain here. Has anyone traded instant funded top 1 account? Yeah, crazy push. You have, Steve? Do you know if there's a max amount you can make per day? Wow. Broke the highs there, just a bunch of stop loss got tagged out. Do we want to take an impulse buy if it breaks above here? Maybe. Oh, there's no max amount. Oh, consistency rule is 20%. Fuck, that's low. %. So it's 20% consistency, but it's not necessarily there's no limit on how much you can make. It's just you have to stay within the consistency rule when you want your payout. Is that right? Or is it actually against the rules to make more than 20% of the account in a day? Okay. I'm going to put a note here saying buys above. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I wouldn't mind getting a little bit aggressive with it. Oh, it's 600 on a 50K. Okay, perfect. Fuck, I thought it was only 300 on a 50K. Damn. I thought it was only 300 you could make on a 50k. 50 bands. Damn. I'll tell you what I'd love to see here. If we get a little double tap, like a little pop, retracement, and then re-break of that high, I'm going to take a buy. Personally. I can't take it on the first flip. It's just too risky. And I know by not doing that, there's a huge probability of missing the trade. Really high probability of missing the trade or missing the move of it up. But I'd rather fucking miss and lose money unnecessarily because I broke my rules. If it can pull back. Damn, okay, 600 is good. Stop there, pull back, thank you. Yep, you can flip red, all good. Come back. Break the highs, tag sellers in, pull back. This is fucking risky. Damn, that's 24 pips. See why? See why, my guys? Am I the fucking goat or what? Am I the throat goat or what? Yes, you are, Daniel. Thank you for guiding us and helping us save money. Sorry, I didn't mean that part. Oh, fuck. Not that emoji again. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the channel, gang. Helps the algorithm. Nah, yeah, I don't want to pull out the bone strat. Bone strat means I'm in a bit of trouble. Alright, what's the range here? I've got to lower this size if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'm going to lower this size because I want to put my stop back down below here. If I'm being honest. Bro just said he's going to be more serious. Fuck. Yeah, that didn't last. But there's a good, perfect example of the double tap rule right there, you guys. That was literally a perfect example of the double tap rule right there. See how I said I don't use it in every scenario? I use it in scenarios where, you know, the candle just opens up and it wants to go, but I'm like, man, I want to, you know, you want to let it breathe a little bit first. I told you to short it. Okay, lion on TikTok, I'll do what you say. Because all the years I've spent in the market, I'll throw in the bin and I'll just do what you say on a TikTok chat. That would make way more sense. Fries strat. Yeah, it's still risky. It's a risky play. But I'm a risk taker. Stops are going to be like 37 pips. TikTok SIGs. W SIGs. Yeah, I like this. I like what I'm seeing. What's the target? Billion. The target is 700. Could you explain what you're seeing right now? Yeah, just to break above a key area, all-time highs. If it wants to flip, it flip. The overall trend's bullish. Just trying to go with the flow a little bit here. I think if we can re-break that high, we'll at least get 20 out of it. 20 bangers. If not, then Fries will proceed to go inside of the bag. Stop loss will be under the wick of the current candle. At 37 ticks. I'll lower this size a little bit more if I'm being honest. 37's a bit steep. But regardless, massive save there of an unnecessary loss by letting it breathe a little bit there for a sec. Overextended? Yeah, it's a little bit extendo. But at the end of the day, when you're at all-time highs, gold will just fucking punch and punch and punch. Yeah, gold will really do stuff. God, goes at all time. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'll give us a couple of minutes. Hello, lost my job. Do you offer some kind of job? I don't, but I think that you should look for more jobs. Definitely, I think that would be a good idea for sure, bro. Trust me. It's going to be a really good idea. Because you want money coming in. You definitely want money coming in. Yeah, Dubai's good, man. All right, I'm going to scrap this order. See how this 15 closes and see if we can get some more sort of impulse play here. If it closes, yeah, we'll see. It'll be a 30-minute closure as well. 30-minute engulfing this structure. Could be still looking at the same impulse buy if this 15 can hold up here. Wick's a bit high. 15 top wick's a bit high, but see. Yeah. So I asked you question. Bay or seal? Got to lock in for the LEG glasses, actually. Lock in for the LEGs. How do you feel about being at all-time high? Do you think the next couple of months will going to look like? I have no idea. I like being at all-time high. It's a good time to buy gold. A lot of volume in the market. You look like you coded the algo with those glasses, bro. I did. I'm ICT's nephew. Damn. I live in the trenches? Which type of trenches? What do you mean? Me poor, sir. Yeah, if you're poor, you got to get a job, brother. You have to get a job. It's the only way you're going to fix it. Yeah, things just got serious, bro. Got them bug glasses. The only way to get money is to get a job. If you don't have money. See, let's see what this 30 does if it wants to hold above or not. Fuck, it's static with his fucking glass. I got these some random shop online that took a month to come, and they're not good for your eyes at all. They're like really bad for your eyes. God damn, that one's like coming out of a time chamber. Up $3 on silver. Let's go! That's $3 you didn't have before, my brother. That's $3 you could flip into 100, and then you could do the Alex G 100 to $1 million challenge. All real. Nothing fake. And then from $1 million to a billions and $billion challenge. You guys, what if one day you just see a YouTube video of me like, yeah, today I'm gonna flip $100 into $1 billion and try to actually act like it's legit. You know, the crazy thing is, there's a lot of people that would think it would be legit. And then from $1 billion to $1 trillion challenge. You've lost 35? Yeah, that's why I say it's good to stick to prop firms, man, so you don't have to... I would suggest you start trading prop firms. Flip 100 to $1 billion. What toothpaste do you use? I use porcelain veneer toothpaste. I got porcelain veneers. I haven't brushed my teeth in 2 years. You don't need to when you have veneers. I mean, do we want to take it? I don't know, man. This is wild. Very untradeable, like just really kind of waiting for something and not getting it. Oh, rage mate. We can't hear you. Turn your mic up. Alex, even Signal Group can't make 5% exposure on YouTube. Everything's fake, bro. Unless they're sitting here live trading funded accounts, everything's fake. Oh, you can hear that knocking? Yeah, hopefully it goes away. Yeah, I periodically switch the glasses on and off. So let's see, we've got 16 minutes here. This is a 30-minute closure. 30 minutes holding above this range. All right, if this doesn't happen, this is the only tradable thing that can happen now. Is if I get a candle that looks like this, holds above here, and then the next one can take off and I can take an impulse buy there. The next one takes off, I can take an impulse buy there. If this doesn't happen, I've got no trade, bro. No trade, bro. Trillions for billions. I mean, I've got 600 on this account over the last 3 days. I thought 300 was the max, so I've been a bit of a bitch with it. But the thing is, that's the thing with these instant funded, there's low leverage amount. Do you know what's a good school for NZ kids in Dubai? Wow. No, I don't. Sorry. I haven't gone down the kid route yet. Well, that sounded bad. As in like, I don't know anything. But I'm sure they all are. Been to Nobu restaurant? No. I don't go to restaurants and stuff like that. I just eat chicken and rice. It hurt. Oh, fuck. Greetings, denial. Chappy. What up, Zest? So let's see if we can create a bottom wick here and then flip up and close above this range and then take an impulse buy maybe. Was Raja Bank your mentee? When I first came into trading, I did Ray J Banks' course. Simple price action. Yep. I did really well with it as well. And then I stopped doing it and I started doing all these other bullshit strategies for 2 years. And then I came back to price action trading. And now it's how I still trade. It doesn't make sense on the 15. That's all, Jack. That's the only reason why I would say no. Like, it doesn't. I can't ignore the 15. It's just like a random red candle just sitting there. You know what I mean? I understand you're looking at it as like a 30 breakout, but it has to make sense on the 15. Yeah, the market makers are trying to stream snipe. Don't do it, dope. Bad idea, man. Why don't you trade in the York session? I will be as of tomorrow, but not only for the mentorship people, not publicly. Someone just said take trade.
Your take trade now.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain.
This candle's a determining factor of life. We'll see.
Be angry, regret. Only smile enough.
Where are you, bro? What are your coordinates? Oh. Bro, Chappie, is that you? Is that a new name for you, Chappie? Is that old school Chappie? Has anyone seen Graph? That's a good question. Oh, wow, Chap Dog. Okay. So Kendall move. Why not enter? I love you, bro. I love you too. Jesus loves you. Jesus loves you. You know, I used to never think there was such thing as evil. I thought there was such thing as good, but I think my tune's kind of changed on it a little bit lately. I used to think, if you believe in evil, then that means that you're given it strength. But then it's like, I think there's undeniable evidence that there is definitely evil in the world. There's definitely two forces. I think just seeing the reaction to this Charlie Kirk and that other girl. Yeah, it's just, some people are honestly possessed, I feel like. And they don't even realize. Yeah, I agree with you, Astro. All right, Gold, if you can hold up here, I'm getting interested. Drop the nuke. Love from Pakistan, love back. Love from Dubai, Stan. Yep, that's trading, Turan. You wait a lot time for a setup and then sometimes it's not guaranteed. It's exactly what happens all the time. We all need Jesus. Bro, I lost 2.1k USD. I need your help. So you made a financial decision and then lost your own money, but now you want somebody else to give you money because you made a decision that didn't end well for yourself. How does that make any sense? Like, I'd love to help you in ways of thinking, but I can't give you money because that wouldn't make any sense. Chopped at the time, second. It's a little bit of FOMO, but I think it makes sense. 30-minute held above this range. 15 hold support. We're in a heavy uptrend. Failed to break below. And I've taken these trades a million times at all-time highs. So give us 4 minutes. Got 4 minutes for a closure. NQ's not doing too much. Yeah, no range is clean range, exactly. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Or if the new candle were to create a bottom wick, you could go under there. Depends. It's not too bad. It's only 30 pips. Maybe I could put it under there. Speak Indonesia, bro. Warakasushi. Ulakasu. I'm in profit, but can you give me money anyway? Well, then call yourself profitable when you get over that, brother. Only you can control that. I can give you advice, but it's not going to mean anything until you're ready to actually start acting upon that advice. What's rent like in Dubai? Bro, fuck off with that with that wolf emoji, bro. I don't know why I find it so funny. Oh, I forget what I was fucking saying. Oh yeah, rent. Yeah, it's like one bedroom apartment's like 1,100 Australian dollars a week. It depends where you live and what you do and shit. Speaking Indian? Dirt. Yeah, exactly. It depends where you stay to cheap. I'm in Marina. Yeah, that's why. Wow, MC just arisen from the depths of the universe. What up, Kerr? A week. Please give me signal. Let go of the fear. So let's see, man. Let's see what's up with this candle. Nikki! Who's that Australian singer? She sung at the Olympic Games in like 2007. Nikki, her song was called Strawberry or something. Someone will know. Nikki something. Webster. Nikki Webster. Thank you. Nikki Webster. Strawberry Kisses. I mean, that song kind of went hard back in the day. Have you met Dovey FX? Who the fuck is Dovey? Why can't people just have names? Why can't it be like Bob Trades? Come on, Gold. Chill out, bro. That was the 2000 Olympics. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Gold's... I don't know, man. Oh, someone's drilling some shits. I really didn't want just to create the fucking... Nobody said hi to me, sad face. Bro, you need the wolf emoji. Yeah, this is rough, you guys. Really wanted this to stay red, man. I know, I can't believe that was 25 fucking years ago. Let's see if this creates a bottom wick here, a decent bottom wick. It's a pretty risky trade. I might just take it on my instant account if it does do that. If you've got an account that you're not super serious about, it might be a decent play. Why should you turn to take your own trades if you follow other people that have experience? Because if you follow multiple people that have experience and then one guy takes a trade and wins, then you go to the other guy and he takes a trade and loses, then you go back to your other guy and he takes a loss. You do realize people lose like every second day. Like losing is a part of the game. And if you're jumping around all these different people trying to get SIGs, you're going to get caught in the losing streaks of these guys and shit. Like that's why it's best to learn yourself. Oh, look at this. It's got the wolf emoji and his profile pic. Yeah, this is cooked, you guys. This is fucking, this sucks. I'll be honest, this sucks. And I don't like to say that proudly, but this sucks. Die. Oh, that's so fucked. Yeah, this is hard to watch. If this can close small body green like this, and then that on the 30 minute, it would look like this. The 30 minute will look like this then. I'll take an impulse buy. Because this range here has been filled. I needed this candle here, this green one, to close red. So it gave me a little bit of range to play with. Oh, I don't know that one, Nikki. Wait, why can I not? Why do I still call it a wolf emoji? I mean, it's just what it is. What's the chip in the background? Yeah, people are trying to drill into my soul upstairs or whatever. What car you have? In the Beninging, a rental. A rental. Because I'm a brokey. No, the 30 won't look like that. The 30 will look like that. Exactly. This is lame, you guys. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. There's nothing happening, man. I'll wait. I'll wait for this candle. Let me see how this candle closes. What did you try today? That's what you got to do. We'll see if this candle can present anything. It's literally just a dog. Wow. Wow, NQ's got no chill, man. Zero chill on NQ. I appreciate you, Yeez, even if you call me a wolf. No risk, no Ferrari. Yeah, I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Nothing's happening here on gold. You know, as soon as I turn the stream off, it'll probably shoot 4 million pips. But yeah, all good, all good. We tried. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you in London tomorrow. And we'll give it another crack. We'll give it another crack. That's all you can do. That's all that you got to do. Thanks, guys. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Peace out. Love you too.